The Nuna Mixx Next is the latest generation of Nuna Mixx Stroller. The Nuna Mixx is one of our most popular stroller at our store, and I'm excited about doing this very full review that shows you the coolness of it, including the suspension. Oh, I told you about the suspension. Sorry. Hi, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans, and this is my review of the Nuna Mixx Next. Now, I did a first look video about a year ago from Europe, but I haven't done a full in-studio review, so I'm excited about showing you the Nuna Mixx Next. Like I said, has amazing suspension. It has this very cool folding situation, which you'll see in the video, which makes it smaller and more compact, which is really great, and upgraded front wheels, which are really awesome. Now, if you have any questions about the Nuna Mixx Next, if you're confused about it, want to compare it to a different stroller, you should book a free virtual consultation. Click the link below or go to mbeans.com/consultations, and you can book a live consultation over phone or even video, which is even better because we can do that via Zoom and we can show you the products and answer all of your questions. Or if you're an emailer, you can email us your questions to questions@mbeans.com. Leave a comment below or give us a call at 617-383-8259. We really know our stuff at Magic Beans. The Nuna Mixx Next is available to buy from us from Magic Beans with free shipping. So here's the review of the Nuna Mixx Next. Here's the Nuna Mixx Next. You've been waiting for the full review for almost a year. I did the original first look of this at the Kinderjugend big European baby gear trade show last September, like in 2019, before COVID, before when life was normal and we went to trade shows. And it's been a while until this product was released, and finally it is available from us to buy from Magic Beans with free shipping, just so you know. And I'm excited about showing you the Mixx Next, which is the latest generation of the Nuna Mixx, which is one of our most popular strollers at Magic Beans. I've done many reviews of the Nuna Mixx strollers over the years. I recommend that you check it out on the channel, and also I'm going to be doing a whole series of comparisons with the Mixx Next. So again, another reason to subscribe and to like the video so you can stay up to date with this stroller and all the other strollers that you might be shopping for. So let's just do a basic review of the Nuna Mixx and why this might be the right stroller for you, and then I'm going to show you what the next part is, what makes this new and different. So this is a great stroller. It comes with a ring adapter included for a Nuna Pippa. So which we'll show you that as well. But let me show you the basic stats of the stroller. So you have the large wheels on the back and the small wheels on the front. They've upgraded the front to tires on the Nuna Mixx Next. It's a rubberized tire versus a plastic tire. So it's gonna be higher quality, more maneuverable. I love when they upgrade a tire, and they did a great job with the Next. This seat goes in both directions, so you just have to squeeze here on the side, and now the baby can face you and face out. To recline the stroller, there's a little lever on the back. You just put it down like that. Now, really important to note about the Next. So you may be looking at an Up a Baby Cruise or a Vista or a Bugaboo product. All of those strollers their seat is not exactly appropriate for a newborn right out of the box. You can add snug seats and other different accessories to make them newborn or add a bassinet. But the nice thing about the Nuna Mixx and the Nuna Mixx Next is that it's a full recline for newborn without a bassinet. You can get a bassinet as an accessory. It doesn't come with a bassinet. You can buy one. But what people like about the stroller is that it is a full recline for newborn. And in fact, there's an extra safety mechanism, so you unsnap underneath the footwell, and then you can re-snap it inside here, and that's just an extra layer of protection, and it actually creates sort of a bassinet-ish type of an environment for your baby, which is cool. So you just unsnap it here and re-snap it underneath here. There is a summer seat, so there's an insert in here. But there's a summer seat behind it, so if it's in the summer, the air can flow through, a nice air mesh backing to it to keep your baby cool in the summer. There is an extendable canopy with air mesh on the side and a peekaboo window with air mesh on the top. So again, if you're in a hot, warmer climate, or if you're gonna have a summer baby, seasons happen, so having all those extra ventilation features are things that parents really like. To fold the stroller, here's what you do. You take that recline mechanism, but you just push it forward, and then very simply, There are these two little pulls on the side, pull them, and it folds right down like that, really, really easy. And you can sort of like take it for, like spin it around with you to move it. It's about 25 pounds or so that's the normal weight for a stroller of the size. So compared to, like I said, like a Cruise or a Vista, all the things you're gonna be looking at, kind of similar. If you want something lighter from Nuna, look at the Nuna Triv. I do a Nuna Triv review on the channel, conveniently enough. To unrecline, oh, and there's also a sort of a movable latch. So if you want to keep the latch in the off or on position, you just can do that to keep it closed or not closed. To open it up, you just lift the handle and you're back in the normal position. Nice leatherette handlebar, not real leather, but it has a faux leather handle, both on the handlebar and on the belly bar. The belly bar is also removable, which is quite nice. But I have next to me the last version of the Nuna Mixx. So this is the regular Nuna Mixx, and this is the Nuna Mixx Next. And so the two main differences, I've already told you about the front wheels. They're those rubberized front wheels, yay. But what they did was they really, really improved the suspension. I mean, in terms of the ability for this to, you're not gonna do that with your baby. Please don't do that with your baby. Maybe they'll put a thing across here that says, do not do that with your baby. But in terms of going through snow or bad sidewalks or the playground, this suspension is really gonna make this push really, really smoothly. There was suspension on the Nuna Mixx, so if you have one for the previous version, don't feel bad about it. You can see the springs, but the suspension on this is just really, really phenomenal. Really, really phenomenal. The other thing is that it folds smaller. Watch this. If you fold the old Mixx, same like this one, folds right down. It just folds kind of normally. But check this out. It's kind of like a transformer. Love it. Fold it over and watch the wheels. They're gonna come in and it's gonna become 8 inches shorter. Do you see that? How the wheels are proud of the base of the frame and that one? And on the Mixx Next, when I folded it down, it comes in like that. See how they pull in like that? So in terms of taking up space in your car, it is going to be shorter and more compact. Isn't that cool? I think it's pretty cool. Great, I promised you I'd show you how to use this with the ring adapter. So you remove the seat, again, by pulling through these two buttons on the side. I have a ring adapter right here, and I'm gonna put it right on, it clicks right in, really easy. And you can, just so you know, you can fold it down with the adapter attached. You're welcome. Leave comments below. More questions. And then you can just click it in like that, really easy. It stays super secure in there. Your Nuna Pippa, really terrific. And then to remove it, all you have to do is push on the back, click it right into the car. There's also a sun visor for extra sun protection. Like I said, this is a Great Stroller, and the Nuna Pippa is a great car seat. And I have lots of other videos that feature strollers and car seats, which I would suggest you watch after this video. Stay with the channel, subscribe today, like this video if you liked it, I hope you did. And remember to leave a comment below, book a virtual consultation, and if you're interested in a Nuna Mixx Next, you can buy them from us from Magic Beans with free shipping. Just follow the link below. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.